Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online by downloading apps. So I posted a poll on the channel a few days ago, or yesterday I think, and you guys said you wanted to see more make money online apps, and I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading make money online apps. I've been making videos about affiliate marketing and freelancing, so if you want to watch those, links are going to be in the description. You can simply go over to the channel to check those out. And also, if you have any questions about this video, you can always leave your questions in the comment section. You could send me a message over on Instagram. So with that out of the way, let's get straight over to the first app, and the name of this app is Pocketflip. And I'm not sure if I've talked about this app on the channel before, but guys, this is a really great app and you guys should download it as fast as possible. So opening up the app, the first thing you see over here is that you could actually earn by inviting your friends. And if you know me at all, I always talk about affiliate marketing or referral systems on this channel, and that's because you could always increase the amount of money you earn on these apps with the referral systems without actually doing any work. But if you want to invite your friends, that is also cool, because over on this app, as I said, you could make money online by downloading other apps. And these apps I'm showing you guys in today's video are very legit, and these apps have actually paid me personally. So over here on the app, as you can see, there are a ton of jobs you guys could complete. You could register on websites or complete surveys, but that is not what you're going to be doing. You're going to be downloading apps. So over here, as you can see, this one that says earn cash over here, you could download that app and actually get 1,024 points, and I think that's about $1. You could do this one over here and get about 2,816 points over there. The next one is going to pay you 3,740 points. That's about $3. And guys, over and over again, you're going to be downloading apps over and over again and making money from this. So guys, if you go over to the rewards section, as you can see over on the screen, you could actually see the rewards you could get after you completed tasks or jobs over here, and after you've accumulated points enough to redeem some gift cards over here. So you have Amazon gift cards that go for 5,400 coins, iTunes gift cards over there, Steam gift cards, Xbox gift cards, Google Play gift cards. There are a ton of gift cards you guys could actually redeem your points for. And as you can see over here, a $10 Nintendo gift card is actually going for 7,000 points. So guys, that is actually a steal for you guys. So this is a very great app. But if you want cash, you could always redeem your points for Visa gift cards. And if you click over here, you can see the countries that are actually accepted. So you have GB, USA, Canada, France, Italy. You guys could check that out. And if this app isn't available in your country, I'm going to show you guys some other apps that may be available in your country. And you guys could always try VPNs, as I always say, but VPNs may not work all the time, but there's no harm in actually trying. So that is it for the first app. It's a very great app. I've actually gotten paid from this app back in the day, and as I said, it's a very great app. You guys could go download this on Android or iOS or your Android emulator if you have one on your PC. The next app we're going to be taking a look at is called Imoney, and I'm going to show you guys that app right now. It's actually the best app out of the three apps I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. Guys, as I said, the name of the second app is Imoney, and the name of this app actually changes. So as you can see over here, this is the app over here, but the name of the app doesn't actually say Imoney. So if you go over to the app store right now and you type in Imoney, you're not going to find the app. So I'm going to simply leave a link to this in the description if you want to get this. So as you can see, it just loaded up over here, and as you can see at the top over here, it says Imoney. So sometimes you're going to run into some problems, so I'm going to advise you to join the Facebook group over here. Let me pull that up real quick. So when you download the app, you're simply going to join the Facebook group, because from time to time the name of the app changes, because the owners of the app are actually in China and they face a lot of problems. So you're going to have to join the Facebook group so you're updated every single time the name of the app changes. And guys, as I said, this is the best app in my opinion. As you can see, they're going to pay you 23 cents to download every single app you download on this app. So guys, every single day you come over to the app, the list of the apps refresh. So tomorrow you're going to get a new list of apps to download. So every single day you have to download the apps they give you over here to download, and every single time you download each and every one of these apps, you're going to be getting 23 cents, and you have the chance to make at least $5 every single day over and over again. They also have a place where you could actually leave a review on an app, and you're going to be getting paid 40 cents for that. And over here, if you come over here, you could actually do this over here, but there are no jobs available right now. But you could buy something on Amazon and actually get cash back, and sometimes get some money for doing that. And over here, this app also has a referral system, and if you want to use my link, a link to this app is going to be in the description. Guys, also you could come over here, check some news out over here if you want to, and you could come over here and see how much you've actually earned on this app. You could join the Facebook group. As I said, I'm gonna invite you guys to actually do that. So if you come over to my balance over here, as you can see, my accumulated income over here is $12.80, and accumulated withdrawal, that is the amount I've actually withdrawn on this app, is $6. And a few days ago I actually initiated a PayPal cash out, but that hasn't actually gone through yet. So guys, you could withdraw to your bank account through PayPal, and you could get some gift cards over here. So this app is really good when it comes to the payments and when it comes to actually cashing out. So those are the options for you guys to actually cash out, and as I said, this is the best app in my opinion. You guys could actually check if this app is available in your country and let me know in the comment section what country you're actually in, so I make more videos targeted towards the country you guys are actually in. So check if these two apps are actually available in your country. We're going to be going over to the last app right now, so let me exit. And the last app, the name of this app is Make Money. So simply go over to your Play or App Store and type in Make Money, and this is the icon of the app in case you're confused. So this is the icon of the app over here, and you're simply going to find this. And this app also pays you to download apps, take surveys, and register on websites. So over now, as you can see, there are no download app jobs available, so you're going to wait for those to become available. This is like about my least favorite app out of the 3 apps I've actually showed you guys, but this app also has its advantages. So over here you could check in daily and get 23 points for doing that. You could take surveys if you want to. You could check your balance over here also, and when you're ready to actually cash out, you could cash out $5, $10, $20, $50 through PayPal. And this is actually 5,000 credits for this, 10,000 credits for that, 20,000 credits, and for each task you get about 300 points or higher. So guys, this is one of the apps. Also, this app is actually the one that works in more country. So if the first 2 apps do not work for you, you could always get this app. And as I always say, you guys could try out VPNs if those apps do not work for you. The problem is that VPNs do not work all the time, so try out VPNs and see if they work for you. If they do not work for you, you're gonna have to find another app. And as I said, leave your country in the comment section so that I know what country I make videos about next. And also tell me which of these apps is actually your favorite below in the comment section. And guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Do me a solid favor, drop a like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment section. And you could also send me a message over on Instagram, or I may leave my phone number in the description. And also I'm going to leave a link in the description to apps and websites and resources that are going to help you make money online. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.